I seriously don't know. I don't have anything planned like to vlog about it or to do anything, so I'm just here. Tim is here because he's a bit sick, so I don't know. Today is just one of those days that I'm trying to vlog, but I cannot find anything to vlog, so let's just see what's this day gonna bring us.
When I think about His grace, His freedom, something like a woman praise. I'm great.
Two of the orange here. So me and Tim, we decided to eat healthy today. So we travel all the way down to Paseo. We bought some fruits on the way. So anyway, we are here in Paseo trying to get some sandwich so we can eat sandwich from Earl Sandwich. This is a new sandwich shop, I believe. So yeah, probably this whole vlog will be about us eating sandwich. We are out here trying to get juice and Tommy's yogurt, and then we're gonna head out. Okay. Need to go higher. Like so. Please stay. Please stay. Please stay. Please stay. Yes. Anyway, we just got back from Paseo. Just went out. I think today me and not me, but Timmy said we have to eat healthy. So anyway, we traveled down, got some fruits along the way, and then went down to Paseo, bought some sandwich. There's like this new sandwich place that before it was a other sandwich shop. Now it's a new sandwich shop called Earl's. Yeah, so we're gonna try out some sandwich and see what's up with it. Anyway, that is the vlog, a daily vlog. The sandwich was super great, super tasty, super sandwichy. I think there's like a overload to that sandwich, which I don't know yet, but anyway, yeah, see you on the next one.